Ministering Evangelist Helen Smith.
Hello. It's not entirely your head. Close your ear. You don't mean you look like an old man. A child of 16 will look like a 40-year-old man. In the name of what? Holiness. Is that holiness? No. Show me in the Bible. Amen. Amen. Mama, stand up. Olga, stand up. Look at this man. Tell him, give me back my right or you die.
Give me back my right or you die.
My right
Ministry. Evangelist
Tell her,
Princess
give me back my right
Smith.
or you die.
Give me back my right or you die.
You know, this thing is an action word. You know, when you are angry, you know that this thing is yours. And you are saying that thing that is yours in someone else's hand. You will react. But I'm agreement, you know, that's what I'm talking about. Let us leave this holier than grace. I'm just saying you now. God bless you. Amen. 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 And what's his name? What's that wicked man's name? Pharaoh. Thought that he will play his sojourn with God. And God did what? Dealt with him. Yes, and took interest. Everything. After killing the firstborn, killed him. Everything that has to do with him. Swallowed up in where? The Red Sea. But before then, remember, they gave the Israelite what? Go.
The trespass offering.
That was what? Interest.
Interest.
Restoration is not complete without what? Interest. Restoration is not complete without what? Interest. The Bible says for your pain, for your shame, I will bless you. For your pain, I will bless you what? So if you took one from me, and you are not giving me that one, you are giving me what? Two. Hello? That is interest. Yeah. Without that restoration is not, in fact, it's not restoration. That's why the Bible says, I will restore unto you the years.
Not which?
The what?
The years.
The years.
Including your father's past years.
Hello? The topic of this program says warrant to arrest.